In this video, we're taking a look at the new product called Eclipse. So what I'll share with you is I'll show you inside the members area because I've had access to this for the past 4 days. So I've been through the training, I'll share that with you. I'll show you exactly what's included, what's not included. And then once I've shown you the inside of the members area, we'll go over some custom bonuses that I have put together for you. Now these have all been put together by myself. There's a couple of my own courses in there. There's even an unreleased course as well. So they're pretty cool. But we'll cover those at the end. So first of all, what is Eclipse? Well, it's a brand new training course and it will show you how to hijack big affiliates traffic and commissions. And how this works is we use basically you're hijacking their traffic and their commissions by putting your offer over the top of theirs. So this works great because effectively they're doing all the hard work and then you make money from on the back of their work. So it's like hijacking all of their efforts, and this is 100% ethical and legal because lots of people are actually making money with this method, and that's what you will learn inside of Eclipse. So who would benefit from this? Well, look, if you're an affiliate marketer, a digital marketer, or a reviewer, then this is perfect for you because you can use what you learn in this to make extra money from your affiliate marketing ventures that you're doing now. This is also great for anyone who's looking to make money online because you do not need any experience to get started with this, and it's also available worldwide. So the highlights of Eclipse, basically, it's very simple to follow along with. It's not only is it simple, the actual training course, and I'll show you inside the members area in a second, there's not too much training included, and what I mean by that is you don't need to get overwhelmed with this because it is literally broken down into the method, how you do this, and then they share with you 3 different practices. You've got easy, medium, and advanced, and you can pick whichever one of these that you want to go ahead with to try and make money with this method. So the overall benefits of this are you can start with this today. You can start making money online with this method today. I have no doubt about this. It's available worldwide. It's simple to set up, and you do not need any skills or experience with this method. And like all products that I recommend and share on this channel, Eclipse comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you go through this and you don't like it, or for whatever reason, they offer a money-back guarantee. So let me jump into the members area. In fact, I'll very briefly show you the sales page, but then we'll jump into the members area and then we'll go over the custom bonuses I've put together for you. Okay, so we're now on the sales page and we'll briefly just skim through this because you can go through this at your own time. So look, it's a sales page, you're going to see big numbers on here, but let's just scroll down and have a look at some of the key points with this. You can do all of this using the Eclipse method without products, without an email list, and without any hassle. So yeah, I agree with that, except for in terms of without products, you're going to need a product to promote. So it's not your own product, but you will need somebody's product to promote, and you don't need an email list and without hassles. So let's scroll down here, why this works, etc, etc. So this is it. So no launch jacking, no e-commerce, no boring content creation, no product creation, no hard work, and no outsourcing. I agree with all of this except for this here where it says no launch jacking, because effectively what you're going to learn in Eclipse works perfectly with launch jacking, and I'll show you a bit more about that in a second when we go into the members area, because launch jacking, it's an extremely good way to make money online, and if you use that with this method, then you will get a hell of a lot of better results with this. So look, I'm not going to go through the sales page. So this is the sales page. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. But let's jump inside the members area and see what you actually go ahead and get for your money. So you can see this is inside the members area. I've actually gone through all the training, as you can see on here. So it's really simply laid out. It's very easy to follow along with. Got a welcome, a method overview, required tools, and then you've got the training. So you've got 3 different methods that you can use with this. We've got easy, intermediate, advanced, and then you've got a conclusion on here. So you can see here, these are the numbers on the screen from Jono. Jono is the course creator for this. Now, let me just play this bit here briefly for you, because if you are in internet marketing, then you know that Jono Armstrong, he is one of the biggest affiliate marketers. So seeing these numbers on here, it's something that we see a lot. But let me just play this for you.
These figures come in on a daily basis. Let me just refresh so you can see. Okay. Now, most of this comes from an email list, right? But the Eclipse method, I'm still doing it right now to this day, and it allows me to generate an additional at least $500 to $600 per day. So the reason why I put this together and I'm finally letting the cat out of the bag is because I know that a lot of you guys are probably new to affiliate marketing. You don't have an email list and you want to start making some money right away. So this is a great method that you can use right now and start earning in the next few hours.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you that point there because, you know, Jono makes a hell of a lot of money from affiliate marketing, and when you see these numbers on here, you may just think, well, that's from his email list. And as you've just seen here, he does make that from his email list, but he's still earning money every single day using the Eclipse method. And basically how the Eclipse method works, it's using paid ads. And what this does is it shows you how to include your paid ads over on YouTube. So let me just very quickly find this element here for you, so you can see exactly how this whole thing comes together, because it's pretty cool. And also, so you see on here, so what happens is, this is how the whole Eclipse method comes together. The guru, or the big internet marketers, they email their list, and then their list is directed over to a YouTube review video. And then how you make money with the Eclipse method is you create a simple ad that you put at the beginning of the YouTube video, and it can be at the beginning or the middle or the end basically, but you want it at the beginning. So people from the email list land on YouTube, but instead of seeing their video for a certain product, they actually see your ad first. And then obviously they see your ad, they click on the link, and then they go over to the offer. And this is where the hijacking part comes into this. So instead of the people from the email list going direct to the guru's YouTube video, they see your ad first. Now you might be thinking, well, I don't want to create my own ad, I don't want to be on camera. Well, you don't need to. Over here you've got 3 different methods. You've got easy, intermediate and advanced, and this walks you through. So if you do not want to be on camera and you want to create really simple ads, even like 30-second ads, well, this is all covered in the easy method. Now there is intermediate and there's also advanced, and this walks you through, you know, different funnily enough, 3 different stages of this. But ultimately, this is how the whole method works, and it's using paid ads, and it works very well. Now I said to you in terms of at the beginning when it spoke about the this has nothing to do with launch jacking. Well, this is ultimately about launch jacking, because you can use this with other products that you found on ClickBank and it walks you through this. But if you use the Eclipse method, especially with launch jacking, not only are you guaranteeing a hell of a lot of traffic, you're also guaranteeing people who are actively looking for the offer basically that you're promoting. And again, it walks you through all of this in the required tools over here. But basically, this is the training. As you can see, it's very simple. It's very easy to follow along with. It's genuinely not a hard method to start making money online, and it is using paid ads. So this is inside of the members area. Now, in terms of the bonuses that I've put together for you, let me go and show you these now. So bonus number 1 is the Not Taught at School Affiliate Academy. So what you will learn in Eclipse, you can use this with my Affiliate Academy, and this is my own full course. This walks you through setting up affiliate marketing. It also includes launch jacking in there. So you will get access to this. It's a full course. You will get step-by-step videos, PDFs, a support group, and ultimately it's a complete course to earning online. That is bonus number 1. It's my own course. Bonus number 2, this is a case study and it's an unreleased course. And this is geared around launch jacking. Now you can see on here, El Bandito Review. This here is my article that I did and ranked it to number 1 on Google. And this was even above the course creator. So you see this one here, this El Bandito Review. This here is a guy called Anthony Mancusa, and this was his own course. But as you can see here, this is my article over on my blog, ranking number 1 on Google. So this course here, it gives you another option that you can use to make money online when it comes to launch jacking, because some people might go down the YouTube route, some people might decide to go down the blogging route. If you decide to go down the blogging route here, well, guess what? This full course here, it will show you how you can get your article to the number 1 spot on Google. It goes over what you need, it shows you how to set everything up, and as I've mentioned, this is an unreleased course. Bonus number 3 is the Launch Jacking Bible, and this here is a complete campaign walkthrough, so it shows you how to set everything up from beginning to end when it comes to launch jacking. So again, it's a full course, it's got a case study in here, it includes step-by-step videos, and it includes absolutely everything that you need to know how to make money when it comes to launch jacking. Now bonus number 4, I've thrown this one in for you, it's called the lazy method. Now in here, again, it's another full course. This has additional methods that you can use to make money online with launch jacking, and you can also incorporate them with what you will learn with the Eclipse method. Bonus number 5, again, this is one of my own courses. This is the YouTube Success course. So this course here, this again, is a complete course, and this will show you how you can actually build a YouTube channel at the same time as doing review videos. And lots of people are doing review videos, but they're not really growing their channel. And the reason why you want to grow your YouTube channel is because you can then start earning an additional income from this. So not only can you earn money with your affiliate marketing efforts, then you can also earn money from YouTube paid ads. Now you see this here, it's a full course, and it showed you how I went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 6 weeks. We also cover what you should do and what you shouldn't do. Now when it comes to YouTube, I think I like to think I know what I'm talking about, because if I go over to my channel here, you can see I'm currently on 40,373 subscribers. And everything that you learn over in this course here, this is what I do every single day with my videos. And there's lots of little hacks and tricks and free softwares in here that you can use. Bonus number 6 is now we're going over to retargeting. So in the Eclipse method, it's geared around running paid ads. Now what this course here will do is will show you how you can retarget those people who have watched your video, and there's a hell of a lot more, you can make a hell of a lot more money by retargeting people who have already seen your ad once, because everybody knows people need a couple of exposures to something before they go ahead and purchase. So by retargeting people who have seen your original paid ad, then you can actually make more money and improve your conversion, so you'll get access to this as well. Bonus number 7 is how you can actually get 90% off your AdWords spend. So Eclipse, it's geared around creating an ad, putting that over the review videos on YouTube. Well, this here, it will show you how you can get 90% off your AdWords campaign. So you'll save a hell of a lot of money with this. And then bonus number 8, I'm going to give you access to all of the vendors' bonuses that they've given to me. So I'm going to give you access to all of these. So this includes a software that you can use on Instagram to get more free traffic. It also includes additional traffic sources. There's another course in here called the Fuego Breakout, so you learn more traffic hacks in there. And then the final bonus is the Jono's Branding Hacks Part 1 and 2. So you'll get access to my bonuses and all of the vendors' bonuses, and it, like I say, it all comes with a money back guarantee. And also, you see on here, I've just noted this on the money back guarantee, we're giving you a double your money back guarantee. If you set up the Eclipse method and you don't make at least $100 to $1,000 in your first 3 days, then they will double your investment. So pretty big stuff. So how much is all of this going to cost you? Let me show you this now. So it starts on an early bird, and the pricing for this is $12.95. So for $13, you're going to get access to all of these vendor bonuses. You'll get access to all 7 of my bonuses and all of my courses and everything that you've seen on this page, and you'll also get access to the full Eclipse method and the training inside of here. And then they also have additional bonuses that they've thrown in for you here. So as you can see, for $13 you're getting a hell of a lot, and using a combination of what you learn in the Eclipse method and what you get in the bonuses, it's just going to help you to fast track your methods to make money online. Now, like any course online, it does come with upsells. So this is the funnel breakdown. So upgrade number 1 is going to cost you $37, and this is a done for you package. So basically it says, let us give you campaigns that you can use for the next year basically, and you get 2 campaigns per week. So all these campaigns are all done for you. These include review videos, done for you video ads, bonus pages, emails, basically absolutely everything is done for you to literally till the end of the year and beyond. So for $37, it's a pretty decent upgrade. Upgrade number 2 is $197, and this is steal our 3.8 million list. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to put your tracking pixel on their sales pages, and then you can use that tracking data for your own promotions, your own marketing campaigns, and basically run paid ads to this 3.8 million list. The third upgrade is $197, and this is the 1K daily hack, and this is a complete done for you solution for customers to, again, you can use their video ads and also their own targeting combined with high ticket offers which pay out $1,000 per sale. So again, this is kind of like a done for you package where everything has been done. You've got the affiliate offer, you've got the video ads, you've also got the targeting, and everything's been done for you. Upgrade number 4, this one here will cost you $77. This is a collection of over 30 monetized channels that you can use to place your Eclipse system over. It says here this will save you hours of manual work. Personally, I wouldn't recommend this one. Literally, throughout the training in Eclipse, it shows you how to find channels on YouTube where you can put your ads over the top of them. So I wouldn't recommend upgrade number 4 personally. Upgrade number 5 is $167, and basically it gives you license rights, which means you can sell Eclipse as your own product and make commissions on the entire funnel. So ultimately it's going to cost you $12.95 for the front end, and then obviously you've got all of the different upgrades. Out of all of these upgrades, the one that I personally prefer is upgrade number 3, which is pretty much a done for you solution, and also upgrade number 1, again another done for you solution. So anything that's done for you and saves time, then I prefer them than sat doing it myself. But look, do you need the upgrades for any of this to work? No, you absolutely do not. You can get the front end product for $12.95 and get everything set up and start making money with this. All of these upgrades here, they'll just help you either improve your conversions or ultimately it's taking the work away from you. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Oh no, one last thing because I get a hell of a lot of emails about this. Let me show you this. If you purchase this product to get access to your bonuses, all of these bonuses here, they're already done, already waiting for you. To get these, simply look, you can see all the bonuses will be waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. So you go into Warrior Plus, you click on purchase products, and then it'll give you two options. It'll say access your purchase, access affiliate bonus. If you click on this blue box here, it will take you to my blog where you will get access to all of the bonuses that I've mentioned over on this page here for you. So that is how you get access to the bonuses. So again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.